So mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. Remember, you need a photo of that building. Make a photo. At the end, you walk in. As you walk in, you can see you use your hand to wave. After that, you make a jump. Okay? Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, new project. Locate the video you just recorded and import it. This is it. Import it to workspace. At this point, look for where you want your own video to start. I don't like all this place. I made a mistake here, so I don't want my own to start from here. So at this point, this is where I want my own to start from. So I will click on the video, make a split, delete the first part. We don't need it again. So at this point, you click on overlay. Click on overlay, click on photos. Import your building. Import the empty building. At this point, make sure you have another clip of this building that you want to use. So when you import it, you click it and make it to fit the screen. When you make it to fit the screen, then you adjust the video. You adjust the video. At this point where you jump up, click on the video, then you make a split. Make a split, but don't delete it. Leave it. Come and click on this one. Adjust it to the point of that your split. Then you come back. At this point now, we want to look for mask. Look for mask. Click on mask. Click on horizontal. Then turn it. Turn the video. Turn this line. Sorry. Turn the line. Take it up. Make it to rhyme with the building. So at the end, then you click on this very good to go back. Click on this good to go back. Then click on the building and adjust it. Make sure that the two rhyme. Look at what I am doing. At this point, this part is ready. Look at it now. This part is ready. Then shift the video. At this point, you can decide to leave this video like this if you wish. If you like, you can decide to leave it like this. There is nothing wrong with that. But when you look now, you will see that your jumping is not that fantastic. The jumping is not fantastic. So at this point, what you'll be doing is click on this one. Click on overlay. Click on overlay because you want to get the same result with my own. Click on overlay. Click on this plus. Then import this building again, your photo building. Click it and make it to fit the screen. When you put it here, click it, make it to fit the screen. So at this point, click on the overlay video, the one down, the second layer. Go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good to go back. So at this point, you want to be clicking on the video. Click on the video again, add keyframe. So use your hand to adjust, crop out this video and take it up on top of the building. Take it high above the building. Look at it. Then you adjust the video a bit again. Adjust the video a bit again. After you must have finished adjusting it, adjust the video again. Then use your hand, make it big again. Then adjust it. Use your hand to adjust it the way you want to be. Play with it so that you will get your own perfect result. Look at it. At this point, after adjusting it, let's play this video and see what we have got now. Let's see how it look now. Watch your jumping with the first one. Fine, this is good. Fine, this is good. Fine, this is perfect. This is nice. Oh yeah, jump again. This is good. So at this point, you have gotten what you want. Click on this very second layer, make a split. Click on the first layer, you make a split as well. Delete the first one. Click on the second one, delete it as well. At this point, your video is ready. This video is ready. But you cannot be able to export this video. Reason being that you use auto removal, which is pro features. But I've made a record. I've recorded a video there on how to use Capcut Pro features for free. Go and watch that video. Then you come back and see how you can be able to export your video. And after exporting it, then you add your sound, you add your effects and all that. Then you can be able to share your videos to your social media handles. Okay, but you are saying I don't want to go through that process. I just want you to put me through. My number is at the description of this video. just go and DM me so that I will put you through on how to export your video and how to add your sounds and all that, as the case may be. Or you can as well locate the comment section and drop it there so that we can see how we can be of help to you. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing updates. Okay? If you have found value in this video, why not give us thumbs up? Till we come your way again, stay safe.